Welcome to the Deep Dive. If you need a rapid shortcut to understanding the biggest moves in tech, you are definitely in the right place.
Today we're deep diving into five pretty critical AI news stories that really dominated the news cycle on Friday, November 14th, 2025.
And before we get into it, and we have to offer a disclosure.
Right. This specific deep dive, which we're calling AI Daily Deep Dive, was actually researched and generated entirely by AI. It's your rapid summary.
Our mission is just to distill these key developments so you understand the trajectory of AI right now. So let's jump in, starting with Google.
Okay, so Google is really transforming search. It's not just for finding information anymore.
Right, it's becoming a full-blown, agentic shopping assistant.
And what's so fascinating here is the shift in how you use it. You don't use keywords.
What more keywords?
You just describe what you need in, normal language. I need a cozy gift for a teenager who loves photography under $150. And the
Right.
AI just finds the options.
And here's where it gets really practical, the agentic part. There are new checkout tools that can track prices for you. And if you let it, it can automatically place the order with Google Pay when the price drops below your target.
Wow, okay. And it can even call local stores, right, to check stock.
You can call them
Yeah.
on your behalf. I mean, that is a huge step toward real automation.
And speaking of seamless integration, let's move from shopping for one person to group collaboration. Story 2 is OpenAI.
The new group chats for ChatGPT.
Exactly. So instead of everyone having their own private chat with the bot, you can have multiple people and the AI all in one single conversation thread.
So for things like planning a trip or maybe coordinating a work project.
Yeah, precisely. The AI, which is powered by GPT 5.1 Auto, it sort of acts like another participant. It only chimes in when it's actually useful.
That does raise some pretty big privacy questions, though.
It does, but OpenAI was quick to address that. They're keeping group chats totally isolated. So, crucially, your personal memory from private chats is not shared into the groups.
And the group chats don't create new memories for your private threads.
Correct. It's a closed loop. For now, the pilot is just launching in Japan, New Zealand, South Korea, and Taiwan.
Okay, so shifting gears a bit from collaboration to high-powered productivity, Google's Notebook LM just got a massive upgrade.
A huge one. It now has a feature called Deep Research, which is basically a built-in research assistant.
So you just give it a topic or a question.
Yep, give it a complex question, the tool just tries it. It generates a research plan, crawls hundreds of web sources, and then produces a structured, fully cited report right there for you.
And it's not just for text files anymore, is it?
Not at all. It now handles Google Sheets, Drive URLs, images, PDFs, Word docs. It's really becoming an all-purpose research hub.
But, how reliable is all this speed and power if the foundation is shaky?
That is the perfect pivot to story number 4.
Right.
And this is a major security red flag.
Right.
Researchers found critical remote code execution vulnerabilities in some of the most widely used AI inference engines. We're talking frameworks from Meta, NVIDIA, Microsoft.
The big players. And the key takeaway here isn't the jargon, it's the systemic risk.
Right. Exactly. These different systems all reuse the same unsafe code pattern. It shows that the breakneck speed of AI development is coming at the cost of basic security.
Because developers were just copying and pasting code to move faster.
Right. And because of that, attackers could use these flaws to run their own code, steal models, or even deploy crypto mining malware. It's a huge risk baked into the culture.
And if infrastructure risk wasn't enough, our final story is about financial warning bells.
Yeah, the CEO of Deutsche Bank's DWS arm, Stefan Hoops, he raised a pretty strong warning about the AI stock rally.
He compared it to the dot-com bubble.
He did, and he noted that the sheer speed of it poses systemic risks. But what makes this rally different, he argues, is that it's retail investors, not institutions, driving a lot of the growth.
Which makes any potential downturn way harder to predict.
Much harder. So his point is, look, AI will transform industries, no question, but current valuations really need to show evidence of actual revenue, not just efficiency gains. And the risk is super concentrated in just a few giants like NVIDIA and Meta.
So if you pull it all together, what's the big picture?
Well, you see this picture of rapid, really exciting commercialization, new shopping agents, group chats, deep research tools.
But it's all happening on top of this profound underlying instability.
Exactly. Instability in the form of security flaws in the core systems and escalating financial risk in the market.
Which leaves you with a pretty important question to think about. If the core infrastructure running all these massive AI models is fundamentally vulnerable and its market value is potentially inflated, how stable is the current trajectory of innovation, really?
Yeah.
Is all the speed just sacrificing security and stability? Something to mull over.
Until next time.
Catch you on the next deep dive.